Hello YouTube, what's going on? This is the Survivalist 247, come back at you after a long time. We're back here on some American Truck Simulator. We have our Kenworth K100 Aerodyne. So before I get started about talking about what the hell's been going on with my channel, let's jump in here and get this thing started. We've got a 500 horsepower Detroit. We're here in Los Angeles. We're going to, let's see, where are we going? We're going to Fresno, California. A lot of things have been changing on my channel, and I'll get into that in a little bit. This video won't be too long, I don't think, but let's get this truck started up. Bring up my HUD right there. Oh, gotta release my parking brake. Turn on my hazards. I've been playing this game a lot. A lot of new mods come out, and you can't believe that they haven't released their Arizona DLC yet. It's way too long of a wait for me. It's kind of crazy. Go ahead and shut off our hazards. Taking a right out here. We do not have to stop because that is a yield sign. Let's get rolling. The game has had some updates since last time I was on, so it's a little different, but that's okay. But anyway, let's get going on to what's been going on. So, it's been about 2.5 months since I released a video, and that was my, it was an American Truck Sim video. If you guys are wondering what happened, well, basically what happened is for about a month there, I lost my internet, and the entire time I have been swamped in schoolwork. And once I get out of school for the summer, I should be able to be releasing daily content, maybe even more than once a day, because why not? I'm that loyal, except I haven't been really. We are hauling a digger. This is about 44,000 pounds. Got an 18 speed. Love this truck. Always have. Get out of the way, buddy. But I am back. I should be releasing content, probably not daily yet, but it'll be coming out. I'm going to have to restart our Fallout series and our career series, as lots of things have changed. So yeah, that's good that I'm back. But we should be seeing, you guys should be seeing some more American Truck Sim content and probably some Euro Truck soon. I don't know if I'm actually ever going to get back into Euro Truck. This game is very fun. I've put about 100 hours into it since I last made a video. Oh! I did not see him. Whoops. Set the cruise control at 56. It's not speeding too bad. I've been swamped in schoolwork lately, or I would have been making videos. That kinda sucks. I'm not out of it yet. We got a lot of state testing, because the state of Ohio is kind of bullcrap. More than kind of bullcrap, but still. I am going to start saving up money for a Logitech G27 steering wheel so I can give you guys better quality, and I will be setting up some webcams for that. I I am turning 15 and a half this May, so I'll be getting my temps in Ohio. I'll be driving, dear Lord. If it's anything like I drive in American Truck Sim, we'll all be dead. Nah, I don't think I'm that bad. But, that ought to be fun. I might do some vlogs about that. I had big plans for my YouTube channel. I just got really sidetracked and really swamped down in schoolwork, like I said, and just haven't been able to make those plans happen. But I will be working on that. Let's see what this looks like. I didn't get to see it. A Hitachi. Very orange excavator. Well, staying in my lane maybe. Let's get over here in the right lane. So, I hope you guys have been having a nice spring. It is, April here. It is about, what time is it? I'm recording really late right now. It's 11:53. It's not, 420 is not over yet, guys. Fun fact of the day, 420, today is, Hitler's birthday. So, happy birthday, Hitler. We all are glad you're dead. I'm assuming most of us are glad. Um, yeah, on top of National Weed Day, it is Hitler's birthday. Kind of funny. Hitler was born on National Weed Day. It wasn't National Weed Day back then, but it is now. Freight train's over there. That one's moving. I have gotten a lot of new mods on this game that I will, oops. Slammed on the brakes there for a second. I'm gonna think about releasing some farming sim content pretty soon here, after I get my mod set up the way I want it. That sun glare. So yeah, this isn't too long of a journey. I've been trying really hard the past few days to record some Arma 2 Wasteland gameplay with me and my friend Monkey Cool, but it's just not been working. I either can't get the audio work or I can't get the video to work. It's really sad, but my recording software does not want to work with me on that. I use OBS, Open Broadcast Software, excuse me, for recording, and it just does not like Arma. It does not like the engine, the game engine in Arma. This truck still does not have Jake brake sounds. Gotta turn on my cab lights. We're gonna get moving here. Pulling into Fresno here. Set the cruise control at 30, even though it really shouldn't be setting cruise control through here. But I'm too lazy to not speed. I apologize if you guys hear a loud whirring sound in the background or anything. That's probably my fan. My room is extremely hot at the moment. I'm trying to cool it off with a very jet-sounding fan. Need to get into that right lane, buddy. I'm gonna pull in right in front of you there. We're going for it. Got a left turn right up here. Whoop. Wrong button. Sorry about that, guys. That was a fuck up. Missed my chance. Fuck, we're going. Get out of the way, get out of the way. I hate intersections like those in these games. Oh, I hit the curb. Oops. Come on, buddy. I need to get rid of that lowboy pack because that lowboy is not working this game. Because it's got one of those, it's one of like tag-along things on the back of the trailer. It's supposed to turn with the trailer. But in this game, it doesn't support multiple joints on the trailer. Just that one where the trailer hitches. See what I mean right there? That rear axle right there attached to the back is supposed to turn with the trailer, and it doesn't. So it looks really wacky. I'll have to get rid of that lowboy pack. It'd be great if that lowboy concept actually worked in this game, but put the parking brake on and see. We'll just park it right here because it's easy. Yeah, I'm straight enough. I'm good. Put it up in a third gear because it's a bit too slow for me. Gonna be putting out some heavy hauling videos soon. Having some ideas planned out. There we go. So there we go, guys. I hope this video has got you caught up to speed about what's going on with the channel. More content soon, I promise. Beautiful K100 right here. Great sounding engine. But I'd like to thank you guys all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.